got, you know, homeowners that are currently living there that have to deal with it. Say it's a kitchen remodel, and if they're living there, I would imagine you wouldn't want your kitchen out of service for too long. So it's important for us to get in there and get out, do a good, clean product, and that way they can have their home back to where they want it.
Yeah, whether that's a remod or something that got some water damage or fire, you want these things to look the way they did originally. And when they originally were constructed, they weren't done by somebody and their brother-in-law. They were done by a crew that was highly trained and does a great job.